In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the access denied failed to apply selected settings to your system Nvidia control panel. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to run the Nvidia control panel as administrator. So to do that, you want to head over to your start menu and then search for the Nvidia control panel. From here, we have the ability to run this as an administrator. After doing that, we also want to simply go ahead and update your drivers. So just search for the Nvidia graphics driver, click on the official website, and then you want to search for your model. Update your driver to the latest version, making sure that we have no corrupted files or corrupted missing data installed within the Nvidia applications. Now, if that didn't work, the only thing that we need to do is to completely reinstall the Nvidia drivers onto our computer right here. Now to do that, it's going to be a little bit tricky. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to DDS. Basically, this is the driver's device uninstaller, or maybe DDU. You want to head over to the guru3d.com display driver uninstaller. Basically, with this one, it will completely uninstall everything that's related to our graphics. You want to install this application by clicking on the download button. Just simply extract the application and then you want to open it up right here. Click on the DDU application once again. Click on extract once more, and then you want to head over to the executable file. Click on yes, and basically with this one, you want to go ahead and make sure that you launch your system on safe mode. If you don't know how to do that, you can search it up. You can then select your GPU, select Nvidia, and then we have multiple options like clean and restart, clean and do not restart, or clean and shut down. Basically, I want to head over to the first setting right here, which is to clean and restart. But once again, before you do this, you want to make sure that you run your Windows on safe mode to make sure that everything is safe. From there, just reinstall your drivers, and basically that will fix all of your driver related issue problems. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.